What if making kids' music videos only took a few clicks?
Snowflake sprinkles on my nose. A penguin danced and froze my toes. Oh no, he's sliding slow.
Watch him go.
Jingle jangle joy.
Such AI kids videos are being loved by a ton of people right now, especially kids' music videos like the ones you see on these YouTube channels. And if you check Social Blade, yeah, the ad revenue alone is already a dream for so many YouTubers. You might be thinking, man, making videos like this must be super hard. Lots of tools, tons of time, maybe even a whole professional team. But oh, no. Guys, we're basically stepping into 2026 already, and with AI, honestly, one person is more than enough. For the short video you saw at the beginning, I used an AI tool that gives you access to top-tier models like Gemini 3.0, Sora 2, Veo 3.1, Kling 2.1 Master, and Hailuo 2.3. Now normally, if you wanted to save money or do things the traditional way, you'd have to jump between a bunch of different tools, which is honestly a pain. You'd need to sign up for multiple accounts, learn each platform, and pay for several tools at the same time. But now, let me tell you something. You can do all of that with just one AI tool, MagicLight AI. It's perfect for kids' stories and YouTube videos. One tool does everything: script writing, music generation, video generation, and editing. MagicLight has a ton of awesome features that I've already covered in my previous videos, so you can totally check those out. I've put the links in the video description. In earlier videos, I mentioned that MagicLight supports flexible video lengths up to 50 minutes. You can also create consistent characters, which is huge. And right now, MagicLight supports 20+ styles and over 10,000 characters. So if you don't want to create your own characters, yeah, they've already got plenty ready for you. In this video, I'm going to update you on 2 brand new features from MagicLight, so you'll have even more options to play with. And you're going to like this. Watch till the end of the video for a chance to win special rewards, 5 monthly memberships as giveaways. You'll find the link and giveaway details in the description or the comments. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe so I have more motivation to keep sharing AI content like this with you guys. Alright, now let me quickly show you how to create a kid's music video in just a few clicks with MagicLight. Let's get started. On the homepage, choose Music Video, then click Create. Simply write down your nursery rhyme idea, and the AI will compose a delightful children's melody and generate a fully commercial use video just for you.
MagicLight also has an integrated Nano Banana feature, which lets you easily refine visual details right inside the storyboard panel. Click Create Music, describe your song idea here. You'll see there are 7 music genres to choose from. Then just click Create Music. Now give it a moment. The system is generating 2 songs for you to choose from based on one original idea. Okay, so the generation speed is a bit slower compared to creating directly with Suno, but no worries. It's powered by Suno and commercial rights are included. Let's check out the quality. I'll listen to both songs real quick.
Snowflake sprinkles on my nose. A penguin danced and froze my toes. Snowflake sprinkles on my nose. A penguin danced and froze my toes.
Honestly, the audio quality and lyrics, no debate at all. It's powered by Suno after all. I personally like this one better, so I'll go with it and click Select Music. Next, I choose the latest version, MagicLight 2.2. I'll try 3D cartoon, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, language English. For the story model, I choose Gemini 3, and for the video model, I pick Kling 2.1. If you're planning to run a YouTube channel long-term, I definitely recommend choosing video models that save you the most credits. Then I click Create Video, and wait a few minutes for MagicLight to generate the story script for me. While we're waiting, let me introduce you to my Christmas tree. What do you think? Pretty nice, right? Maybe this year I'll dress up as Santa Claus, sneak into your houses through the chimney, and give presents to your kids. Alright, now let me see. It's generating images, and after that, it'll move on to creating the videos. Now, if you want to create multiple custom characters with your own descriptions and make longer videos, up to 50 minutes, you should choose the story to video feature right here. I've already made a detailed tutorial on that, and I've linked that video in the description. Once each image is animated, we get a complete video. Let's take a look together.
Snowflake sprinkles on my nose. A penguin danced and froze my toes. Oh no, sliding slow.
Watch him go.
Jingle jangle joy, clap your hands, oh boy. Share your toys, share your treats. Kindness makes the magic sweet. Reindeer hiccuped, what a sound. Santa's hat fell to the ground. Oopsie daisy, now it's found.
Don't tell.
Cookies crumble in the air. Who's been nibbling? Teddy bear. Jingle jangle joy, clap your hands, oh boy. Share your toys, share your treats. Kindness makes the magic sweet. Twinkle lights, twinkle bright. Let's make wishes in the night. Ho, 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 and ha, ha, ha. Christmas giggles, la, 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 la.
If there's any scene you're not satisfied with, just go to Edit and adjust it. For example, in this scene, if you want a different image, you can regenerate it or rewrite the description. There are camera angle options and visual effects to make the scene more dynamic. For example, I'll choose this angle and click Generate. That's nice, huh? Since it's generated with Gemini 3, Nano Banana, the image quality is really sharp and accurate. Then click Animate, choose your video model, and regenerate. After that, click Next. Adjust the title for cover image, subtitle font, and press Generate. And you're done. Easy. After this video, I'll quickly share the explainer video feature and then go over the giveaway details. I managed to get 5 monthly memberships to give away in this video, so don't miss out. In the previous video, a lot of you joined and actually won. But this giveaway is time limited, so don't wait. Okay, now I'll quickly introduce the explainer video feature and then we'll get to the giveaway details. The process is similar to creating a music video, but I'll choose a different style to match the topic. Let's try Pixar. The key thing here is that your story topic needs to fit the purpose of an explainer video. This is a video I created pretty quickly. Check it out. Honestly, it's amazing.
Once upon a time, a tiny seed lay snug in the earth. The sun smiled warmly, and gentle rain kissed the ground. The little seed began to swell, dreaming of the sky above. Slowly, a tiny sprout peeked out, reaching for the light. Days turned into weeks, and the sprout grew taller. Leaves unfurled, like tiny hands waving in the breeze. A little girl named Lily loved to visit the growing plant. She watered it carefully and sang sweet songs. The plant felt loved and grew stronger each day. One sunny morning, Lily noticed something amazing. A tiny bud had formed, promising a beautiful flower. The bud opened slowly, revealing petals of vibrant gold. Bees buzzed happily around the flower, collecting nectar. As seasons changed, the flower faded, leaving behind a tiny fruit. Inside the fruit was another seed, ready to start again. But the plant kept growing, taller and stronger. Its stem became thick and sturdy, turning into a trunk. Branches reached out like arms, offering shade to all. Years passed, and the little plant became a big tree. Birds built nests in its branches, singing joyful melodies. Squirrels scampered up and down, playing hide and seek. Lily, now a grown woman, still visited the tree. She remembered the little seed and the golden flower. She sat beneath its shade, feeling grateful for its presence. One day, a strong wind blew through the forest. Many small trees swayed and bent, but the big tree stood firm. Its roots ran deep, holding it steady against the storm. Lily watched in awe, realizing the tree's strength. she understood that even the smallest beginnings can lead to great things. The tree continued to grow, providing shelter and beauty. It taught everyone the importance of patience and perseverance. And every year, it produced new seeds, spreading its legacy. The forest flourished, thanks to the little seed's big dream. Lily smiled, knowing the tree's story would live on. She whispered, "Thank you," to the wise old tree. And the tree rustled its leaves, as if to say, "You're welcome."
For the giveaway details this time, please check the comments. To enter, just like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what you like about MagicLight. Giveaway details are in the comments. Good luck! I hope you're one of the 5 lucky winners. MagicLight does have a free plan, but if you really want to create videos and experience more features, I recommend upgrading to the standard plan or higher plan, or, winning this giveaway. Get started free. Make your first story today. Tell us your idea, and we'll make it a viral script. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to join our giveaway, and I'll see you in the next video.